Hey there. I am really happy to introduce to you Dr. David Brown, who is a finance professor at the University of Arizona. And David is the author of most of the resources that we are going to be using in this course. So as a student, you'll see Dr. Brown in videos, and you'll also see Dr. Brown's spreadsheets as we work through a host of model building exercises. So, David, welcome and thanks so much for all your work on this.
Thank you. And hi, everyone. I want to just give you a quick rundown of what this course is designed to do. It's built to supplement your introductory finance class. So most of these spreadsheets are designed to kind of accompany what you're learning from the theory side and having a chance to apply it and practice it in Microsoft Excel. And a lot of the emphasis in Excel are kind of twofold. One is to learn how to build models dynamically, right? We can use our financial calculators to solve a problem kind of on a one-shot basis, but we want to be able to use Excel where we can input parameters, right? Values that can change and have the model dynamically update to those parameters. So what you'll see is you're always given a set of parameters. Those parameters are going to change on you, and you're going to have to make sure your model still gives the correct answer, even when the input variables change. So that's a big fundamental principle of modeling we want to ingrain through this course. Another big piece is just learning Excel. There's a lot of functions out there. We can't cover them all in this class, but we're going to give you a good introduction to most of the really important functions that you're going to see quite a bit. The last thing that these models are designed to do is to get you to practice. You'll see that you have to shoot for a best time or to practice the model a certain number of times. And the more you do, the more credit you get. The idea is to practice the spreadsheet as many times as you can to really get fast. That way you're internalizing not only the functions, but the keyboarding techniques, the shortcuts that allow you to work fast and efficiently in Excel, because that's not only going to benefit this class, it's going to benefit your next few classes and also your entire career.
Excellent. Well, thanks, David. We're so excited to get started with your material.